that moves slow. There's a man working so the dreams can grow.
Let's study.
Dirt on his head.
Hi everyone. So the time has finally come when I pack up all my stuff to move back to my home. For those who don't know, I am currently in my last semester and my exams are going on, which means I will be graduating soon. And it all feels like I'm just packing up all my stuff and my whole life that I lived here in Delhi. And it's kind of overwhelming, but the next chapter feels even more exciting, so it's fine. Now that it's time to leave, the only song that is coming to my mind is I heard it recently on a reel, so it goes like, I'm gonna pack my bag and leave you behind. This feeling's old, but I know that I've made up my mind. I am happy, but I'm also little sad because I will have to leave this place and now start afresh again. Look at my paintings. Artist Mehak की paintings देख लो. I have also started a new painting. I'll show you this one, but the reel for it will be coming maybe, I don't know, next month, because now I have my exams going on and I have to pack also.
Step shuffle in a half-turn spin. Pull the daylight under your skin. Feel the pocket where the loose change sits. Tap the rhythm with your fingertips. Roll your shoulders like a slow wave in.
My room is a mess right now, so please ignore the gandagi in my room. Like, there is like some or other stuff lying around. So let's pack. I have my exam tomorrow. Now break your heart, move to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no call. Now looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. So what I am doing is I'll put all the warm clothes in one bag and all the blankets and pillow covers in one bag. So that is what we are trying to do right now. I hope it fits into this bag. There are just way too many clothes. आधे अभी मैं घर छोड़ आई थी, बट अभी भी इतने ज़्यादा है ना, मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ अब. I'm coming for ya. I need is a beauty and a beast who can make my life complete.
Cause every time that she gets close, she pulls me in. Maybe I should stop and start confessing. Oh, I've been shaking, sick of my inhibition.
Yeah. One of my suitcases is already full and I don't know how to pack the entire thing. My room is a mess right now and I don't know what to do. One bag is done. Now these bags are left. Stay tuned, guys. Now I'll put these sarees that I have in this green bag. इस साड़ी को अब हम इस लिफाफे में डालेंगे क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ और दिख नहीं रहा है उसमें मैं इसको डाल पाऊँ. एंड आई डोंट इवन नो कि इस साड़ी का ब्लाउज किधर है, तो पहले वो भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा. We are done with packing 2 bags, this one and this one. These 2 bags are done, so we'll just push them away now. देखो मुझे क्या मिला. मेरी कॉमर्स सोसाइटी की मर्च. दिस वन इज the member t-shirt, members merch. Like when you are packing your bags, you find so many things lying around which gives you nostalgia of those, like you just relive those memories again. We are finally done with the bag. It's just too heavy. Another box done. That is done. The suitcase is also done. Now the only thing left is this table. I have to. So I have put everything on my roommate's bed because she is not here, and before she comes, this everything will be gone. So yeah, we are done with mostly everything. Now we will be studying for my exam, that is tomorrow. So bye bye.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be.
Hi guys, so it is my final semester exam today, first exam, and it's 5 a.m. currently, so I'm just going to revise everything and then we'll get ready and go to college to give the exam. I hope the exam goes well.
When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. Whoa, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When your heart needs a break and it's too broken to be open, I'll be patient, I will wait until you're ready to be open. Everybody needs somebody. Yeah, you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the heart.
So now I'm studying for my next exam, which is tomorrow, and I am very scared right now because there's a lot to do, and still I'm very scared, guys. Just let's study. We'll not record a lot today. Definitely, I am very scared for this exam. I don't want to study. I just don't know. मुझे डर लग रहा है. I'm really getting anxiety right now, and I'm smiling. I don't know why. And मेरी ये वाली बाजू में दर्द हो रही है. I don't know भाई क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. I will meet you after my exam tomorrow because अब मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड करने का बिल्कुल भी समय नहीं है. एंड अगर मैं रिकॉर्ड करने बैठ जाऊँगी तो आई जस्ट कीप रिकॉर्डिंग ओनली. तो पढ़ाई तो लाइक आई डोंट थिंक होगी फिर. सो लेट्स प्रे फॉर मी दैट आई क्लियर दिस एग्जाम विद वेरी गुड ग्रेड्स. ओके, बाय बाय. God, see, I'm very excited to read this book. Also, I am done with my packing and I will be couriering them to my home, and this is everything that I have packed, and my room is still a mess right now. So this is it for the vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Most probably it will be a study vlog. So bye.